learners, you are all welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Choosing One Tutorial Center, and if you are yet to subscribe, I want to encourage you to do that. Today's topic is perimeter of a trapezium, and this is the shape of a trapezium. And don't forget that I told you earlier that once you get the word perimeter, it is the sum of all the sides. So for us to find the perimeter of a trapezium, we are going to add all the sides together. So that's why the perimeter of the trapezium is equals to A plus B plus C plus D. Let's solve these examples given. Number one, calculate the perimeter of the shape below. Looking at this shape, this is a shape of a trapezium. So for us to find its perimeter, don't forget we have to apply the formula. Number one, perimeter of a trapezium is equals to A plus B plus C plus D. So from what we have here, all we need to do is to add it together. So we are going to have 3 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 13 centimeter. 4 plus 7 will give us 10. 10 plus 4 will give us 14. 14 plus 13 will give us 27 centimeter. That's the answer. Let's solve question 2. Find the perimeter of a trapezium whose sides are 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. So perimeter of a trapezium is equals to A plus B plus C plus D. So we are going to add this together. We are going to have 9 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. 9 plus 6 will give us 15. Don't forget that 15 plus 12 will give us 27. 27 plus 5 will give us 32 centimeter. Then the third example for today, given that the perimeter of a trapezium is 35 centimeter, so that means our perimeter of a trapezium is equals to 35 centimeter. And the other side, find the value of the fourth side. If other sides are 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. So we can just assume that A is equals to 8 centimeter, B is equals to 11 centimeter, and C is equals to 2 centimeter, whereas D is not given. So our P is equals to A plus B plus C plus D, and the perimeter is equals to 35 centimeters. So we are going to have 8 centimeter plus 11 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus D. Then we are going to find the exact value of D. So we are going to have 35 centimeter is equals to 8 plus 11 will give us 19. 19 plus 2 will give us 21 centimeter plus D. So therefore our D is equals to 35 centimeter minus 21 centimeter. And our D will be equals to 14 centimeter. Thank you. If you are yet to subscribe, ensure you do that. Thank you.